Hi, this is Trevor Kendall from Tax Trains, and today we're going to review a kit. We're going to be doing an opening only, and in subsequent videos I'll be doing videos of putting this kit together. And the kit we're going to be opening today is called Keeger's Garage and Repair. It's from Interaction Hobbies, which is a small Canadian company. I've never done one of their kits before. But I've seen this one online on their website, and it's a beautiful looking little building. It's a little garage and repair facility, and it's got a really unique look to it that actually, you know what, it's probably pretty common in a lot of little small towns. It has the little garage on the side and with the storefront. And let's see, Interaction Hobbies, it's kit number HO-3103. Okay, so first of all, the kit came in this unassuming little plastic bag. It's not in a box or anything like that. So this is how it came in the mail. And let's open it up and see what we have here. Alrighty, so we'll start with let's see here, what we got. Okay, let's start with these sheets first. I'll just put the instructions to the side first. And we'll just have a look at what we got here. Okay, so first of all, we have our little signs, and we have some neat little awnings that we can use depending on what kind of business we want to make our kit into. And there's some interior detail with some, yeah, it's pretty cool, some little drive belts and car parts. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's put that to the side. And here we have parts identification. This is really handy. So you can go through and cross-reference your parts to the numbers in the instructions. So that's handy. And of course, here we go. This is shows you your bracing. Bracing is very important in wood kits. If you're not familiar with wooden kits, you have to do bracing. Otherwise, your wood will warp, because most of what you're going to be using to paint will be an acrylic paint, which is water-based. And or if you want to age your building, pre-age it, you do an ink and alcohol wash, and that could warp your sides as well. So you really want to use basswood bracing. Usually it's a 1/8 inch stick. Okay, and as well, there's an awning template here and a lamp template for bending your wire to make your lamps. So it shows here, walls shown viewing from inside looking out, bracing in red, which is 1/8 square wood strip stock, and the corner trim, which is green, is 1/16 inch square wood strip stock. Garage door trim blue is 1/32 strip right here. Okay, so let's have a look at instructions. Now, I use Campbell kits as a baseline, but what I mean by that is everybody that's in this hobby knows a Campbell's kit. They're a classic, they're decades old. Craftsman builders love them. And their instructions are very in-depth, but man, they are wordy. It's all text, their instructions are, with a few drawings thrown in. So I've seen instructions that are basically nothing. They assume that you know how a Craftsman kit go together, and definitely not for beginners. And then really excellent detailed instructions that recommended for beginners. A beginner can go through it and not having done a Craftsman kit before and be able to build the kit. So let's see what this is. Okay, so here's our instructions. And right away. So the first page tells you your supplied kit components, lays everything out here. Lots of clear pictures. Okay, and then it gets into the bracing over here. And your cornices and everything. Very detailed, and I like it. It's not wordy. It just tells you, okay, right here, glue the awning top and bottom, blah, 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 so they sandwich, boom, and a picture of how it's done. I love that. So step by step with a picture. And it's just a sentence to tell you what to do, which is excellent. So it's better than a Campbell's kit in that regard. A Campbell's kit, man, it'll be a full frickin' paragraph to tell you how to do this part. I'm not dumping on Campbell's kits because I love them, but their instructions are not for beginners. So here you go. Every step has beautiful done drawings. Very, very excellent. This is really good for a beginner. But, you know, it's also good for a seasoned Craftsman veteran as well. This is so detailed, unreal. Wow, and it tells you how to do, if you want to add an interior to this kit, it's all right here. And as well as lighting, how to install the lighting. Right there, how to install the lighting strip. And your final details, your awning and everything. Wow, I must say, this is probably the best instructions I've ever seen in any kit. Really good. Good for you interaction. This is really good. A lot of effort has gone into these instructions. That's awesome. Perfect. All right, so let's see what we got here. First of all, that's your roofing material for your tar paper roof. Okay. And let's see here. LED strip lighting is in this bag. So this kit, which retails for under $40, includes the lighting. Check that out. It's brilliant. Okay. So here's the little bag with strip wood in it. Let's open that up. See what we got here. Okay, so there's your strip wood. You have your 1/8 inch and your 1/16. It's for your bracing and your corner trim on your buildings, and color coded. All right, so these little printed parts, 3D printed, are these pieces right here in your top cornice. Really well done, really nicely detailed. And here's your little flange for your exhaust or chimney. That's a titchy part. And your little light lamps, little lamp shades. These are titchy parts as well. And your chimney, again, that's a titchy part. All the best kits run with titchy parts because they're proven. Well done. Okay, so put the chimney aside. What is this? Okay, a little piece of copper wire, nice straight piece of copper wire. Careful we don't bend that. Now, what is this? Oh, it's a little cat. It's a little cat. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's a little 3D resin printed cat. Oh my God, that is so cool. In this little bubble pack so it doesn't get crushed. That is so neat. Wow. I am very impressed with this kit so far. Remember, this is under $40. This is just amazing. Okay, so we'll open this part. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so some wood pieces for something, I'm not sure. And some wood, more wood trim. Not sure. These are probably the floors. Yeah, they're probably the floors for the building. Some more signs. Nice. Which is interesting because they're also here on this big sheet. Oh, they're different sizes. Okay. All right. I'm sure that'll become clear in the instructions. And here's your window glazing. Oh, now this is really cool. This is one thing that really sold me on this kit. It was really neat. If you look here, it has a screen door, and you can see the screen in the door. I don't have a building like that in my layout, and I wanted that. So here's the screen for the screen door. Really fine. And you get a ton of it, so you can make a lot of little screen doors for your buildings. All right. Oh, here's the nice, I love this stuff. This is the impregnated cardstock. It's a really rigid, really smooth cardstock, and it's very detailed for like your, I guess these are windows here and window trim and whatnot. You can tell they're really good kits because they use a plethora, a bunch of different materials in their kits in appropriate places. You get some really cheap kits where all you get is a bundle of sticks and instructions, or other ones you'll get your basswood sides and then your sticks, and then that's it, and everything's made out of the same material. This is a high quality, well engineered kit that I'm reviewing right now. Very impressed so far. And here's your windows. This is a really fine, probably a 1/32 or 1/64 inch plywood. And look at detail. Look how detailed that is. Look at the, can you see the screen doors? It's just amazing. Really good. Beautifully laser cut. And there's your 1/16 clapboard. I love this stuff. I do a lot of scratch building, and I love working with this clapboard. So there's your side walls, laser cut. And the other side. Wow. I gotta say, this is one of the nicest looking kits I've ever opened up. And it's just in a plastic bag. It comes in a plastic bag, not an impressive box or nothing like that. It comes in a plastic bag. And this kit, I believe, retail for $37, $38, something like that, online. It's just a brilliant value. I can't wait to build this thing. My little pussycat. All right, so that's it for the opening of this kit. Remember, this is Keeger's Garage and Repair. I am so looking forward to building this kit. It is really promising. I really love the quality and the detail and the effort gone into this kit. And for under $40, it looks like an amazing value. All right, so stay tuned. That's it for this video, for the unpacking. And in my next video, we'll build this sucker. All right, take care. Happy modeling. Bye.